A New Year red themed headband tutorial is here. Follow the tutorial and crochet along. Start with the magic ring. Begin crocheting from one end of the tie. Chain 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 loops at a time. This makes 1 double crochet. Crochet 4 double crochets. After finishing, chain 3, slip stitch into position, chain 3 again, crochet another flower cluster, tighten the loop after finishing. Next, start chaining, chain 75 stitches, place a stitch marker here, continue with 117 chain stitches, place the stitch marker in the last stitch, chain 8 stitches, yarn over after finishing, go back to the 8th chain from the hook, crochet 1 unfinished double crochet, yarn over and crochet another unfinished double crochet, pull through all loops. This forms a puff stitch made of 2 double crochets, yarn over, skip 5 stitches, work a puff stitch into the 6th stitch, pull through all loops and chain 5, crochet another puff stitch, this completes 1 pattern set. Start the second set, skipping 5 stitches. The second pattern is complete. Leave 5 stitches between each pattern. Repeat this for a total of 18 patterns. All 18 patterns are complete. Continue with the next pattern. Skip 5 stitches. Insert hook here. Crochet a 2 double crochet puff stitch. After finishing, chain 7. Slip stitch into the marked stitch. After slip stitch, chain 7 again. Insert hook into the stitch opposite the puff stitch. Crochet 1 puff stitch. This completes the corner section. Next, continue crocheting along the side. Work the next round. Crochet into the holes of the pattern. Now work this pattern. Finished and chain 5. Continue with another one. Crochet a total of 18 sets. Pattern completed. Insert hook into the marked stitch. Crochet 1 puff stitch. chain 7 after finishing, slip stitch, then chain 75 stitches. This forms the tie. Chains completed. Now crochet the tie section. Start crocheting from the 3rd stitch. Crochet 4 double crochets. Then chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3 again. Work this pattern. Chain 3, slip stitch after finishing, change yarn and crochet the edging. Start with 7 chain stitches, insert hook into the 5th chain, pull up yarn and chain 1, insert hook again and crochet a single crochet, chain 1. Next, work directly into the next space. Crochet 1 double crochet, chain 4, crochet a picot stitch through 2 strands. After the picot, chain 1. This completes one pattern set. After finishing, crochet 1 double crochet, then chain 1. This completes the round pattern. Next, insert hook into the next large space, crochet 1 single crochet, chain 1. Repeat the pattern in these 2 spaces. For the last space on this side, after completing 4 pattern sets, no need to crochet a double crochet. Insert hook into the middle gap, crochet 2 pattern sets, crochet 1 more set in this space, then crochet 4 sets in this large space. These are the patterns worked in this space. 4 pattern sets in this space are complete. Again, no double crochet is needed. Insert hook into the next space and crochet a single crochet, chain 1, then continue as usual. At this corner section, 4 pattern sets are complete. Next, insert hook into the middle stitch, crochet 2 pattern sets, chain 1, then crochet the other side. 4 edging patterns completed. Find the previous single crochet, slip stitch and fasten off. The headband is now finished.